So this is all the things that I got from IKEA Mumbai. So I wasn't kidding when I said it's a huge haul. What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel and welcome to the huge IKEA haul. So recently I went to IKEA Mumbai and I shared a complete tour of the store on my channel, the video that I uploaded previous to this one. So I do recommend you guys to watch that video first and then come back to this one, as this is a haul of all the things that I bought from that store. I'm super excited for sharing this video because this was my first time going to IKEA Mumbai and we went a little crazy, did not expect this much shopping to happen, but I am so happy with all the things that I bought. So let's get started with this video. Okay, for the first thing I have this very beautiful white bed sheet or a throw blanket, whatever you want to call it. It has like a different textured pattern around it and I think this would look perfect in my room, and this was for 999 rupees and I think it's a complete steal. Like I've seen such bed sheets online and in different stores as well, and the price was nothing near to the price that I got this one. I think they had an offer or something for this one, so that is why I got this and it's so pretty. I just put it down. Okay, so next up I have is another comforter. Now this is a quilt or a comforter, whatever you want to call it. Now this one also comes with two pillow covers and I think it's amazing. Like you can even use it as a bed sheet because it has a great pattern on it and it's like very nice and simple, and this one was for 699 and I love the color of it. It's like a faded blue tone and I think it's so nice. So since we started with fabrics, let's move on to more fabrics. So next up I have this, next up I have is this thing. Now this looks very weird. It's actually a remote holder for your sofa. Like for when the sofas have these armrests, so you can place this remote holder on it and you can keep all your remotes like AC remotes, TV remotes or whatever remotes that you have in your house. This one was for 250 rupees. There was no color option available in this. I'm not happy with the color. This would be really helpful, so that is why I got this one. I don't know what I have, I have an obsession with curtains. Like every store, like every home decor related store I go, I have to get curtains from there. So I bought this one. Now this is like a netted white curtain. Really don't do their job as curtains, but they look pretty, that is why. So I got this one. This one was for 299 rupees and these are like 7 foot in height, and you can like cut it or you can like alter it to the size of the window or the door that you're using it, and 299 for a pair. Like there are two inside these. And next, going with the white theme, I love white and I got this one. Now it's like a bathroom curtain that you have in the shower area or bathtub area. This was for 150 rupees and I was in a search of like these bathroom curtains in online and in different stores as well, and I just wanted a plain white one and I couldn't find something that was this cheap, like for 150 rupees, and this was the cheapest that I saw and I had to pick it up. So next up I have is this box. Not really box. It's actually a table lamp. Now I wanted a table lamp since a very long time and I was very particular with the type of lamp that I want. I wanted it to be slimmer because my desk isn't that big and I did not wanted it to occupy a lot of space, and also something which is a lot sturdy and has like a warm white light. I'll give you like a proper shots in the B-roll. This is just me opening my lamp for the very first time and it's quite sturdy and is of good quality also. This goes over here and this is the base of it and it's so pretty. I love this lamp and it's also adjustable. Like you can adjust it like so, and it's so nice and sleek, does not occupy a lot of space and will look cute in this area as well. And that lamp was for about 1290 and it's a bit expensive, but the quality is so amazing. It's very sturdy and it feels like it's expensive. Like it's not lightweight at all. Talking about lamps and lights, next I have is this very big Again, it's a pendant light. It's made up of plastic and the price is unbelievable. It's for 420 rupees. I've never seen a lamp like for this big, and I have to open it obviously, but you'll see the shots. It's so nice and it's big, and for the price I think it's amazing, like for 420 rupees. And I like this about IKEA, like all the products are affordable and at the very same time the quality is also super nice. Like many a time it happens that the price is cheap but the quality is also cheap, but no, that is not the case in IKEA. The quality and the price is unbelievable. And to go with the pendant light, I got this LED light. This was for 89 rupees. This is a 3-star saving LED light. Now I am super excited for this one, and it's so pretty, man. Like it's so nice. This is like a bulb and it's this huge, very pretty bulb. I don't want to open it. I'll show you in the B-roll shots. Now this is the base of the light. So the light that I saw was for 1290 or 1250 something, and that light would go inside this. Now this looks like an fish tank, but it isn't, and the bulb and this would look so beautiful together. And this was for I think like 1500 rupees. This is a little pricey, but again when you see the whole look, well, like the bulb inside this one, it looks so beautiful. Now the bulb that we bought was just a single bulb. It did not have like a wire to attach it to somewhere. That is why we had to get this separately, and this was for again 320 rupees something, or something near 300 to 400. And this was the only one left. There were like white ones, such a showstopper kind of a movement over here, and it's so beautiful. You probably said so beautiful 1,000 times right now. The next I have here is a stool. This is like a navy blue stool, and it is made up of metal material. So this isn't plastic. It was for 299. That is for 300 rupees for this large stool, and you can use it even as a side table. You can use it as a stool for a seating, whatever you like, whatever your heart desires. You can use it as this. They had these in like 4 colors, I believe. There was like black, red, white, and this one. Yeah. So 4 colors in total, and I bought this navy blue one. So let's move on with the bigger item that you see behind. This is a pegboard. This I'm thinking of replacing it with a pegboard. Let's see how this works and how this looks. This is like a plain white one, and this was for 700 rupees. They had them in like different sizes there at the store, and I think this one is perfect for the space that I'm thinking of using this. And to go with this pegboard, there are 2 things that I got. Now the first one are these hooks. Now you can use these hooks with this pegboard and hang things on it. I really don't remember the price of it. It would be something around 200 to 300 rupees. It is a bit expensive, I do believe that, but they have like these white color coating. But something similar could be found in like local hardware stores as well. And another thing for the pegboard is this is something that gets attached to the pegboard, and you can actually keep things on this. This acts like a tray. You can use this pegboard like anywhere inside your house. Like if you can use it to store your stationery, your makeup. You can use it in the bathroom or in the kitchen as an organizer, and it is so versatile. Next up I have are these 2 organizers. Now these are these kitchen organizers that you can keep your masalas or chai patti, tea, coffee, whatever you like inside these. Now these are glass. Plastic is not good for our health, so storing food items in glass is also good, and also good for the environment. These 2 were around like 200 to 300 rupees. Like the prices are not mentioned over here, and whatever price mentioned over here is in the price that we actually bought it. Like in the box it's written 345, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't for 345. It was around something 200 or 300 rupees. Like for all the items, the prices that were in the box was not the same as that what we actually bought it. I don't know how, but it's always expensive on the box, but the actual price is much less than what it is written in the box. Next up are a pair of 3 scissors. Nothing special about these. These are IKEA stainless steel scissors. Okay, this was for 149 rupees. Let's move on to the next item. Next up I have is this organizer thing again. Now this could be used in a kitchen, dry your wet utensils, or even to like display utensils, and this folds up and becomes so compact. Next up I have is this very cute I don't know what to call this actually. These are like hooks, or you I don't really know. This was so unique. This was for again like 340 rupees. It's a little pricey again, but it's so unique. It's like one of those things which is like a conversation starter. Like if you have these in your house, someone would definitely come and ask you कि भाई ये क्या है? Like in the store they had displayed it as a phone holder while your phone is charging. So I think that's very genius. And also at the very same time you can use it as a cloth hanger. And there are 3 of these chairs in different shades. They had them in only one color. I don't like the color that much, but it's such a unique piece, so yeah. Next up is this frame, just a random purchase. This was for 49 rupees. This does not have a glass top, but has like an acrylic sheet on top, and I think it's valid. Like it's just for 49 rupees, and having an acrylic is fine. It has these almost like cardboard kind of material behind, and you can open it and like place it on the table, or you can hang it using this cardboard material at the very same time. Now next up I have are these. Now these are floating shelves, and I believe it was for 999 rupees, and we bought 2 of them. One is like the bigger one and other is like a smaller one, and the smaller one was I believe around 300 to 400 rupees. It's super heavy and well made, and that matches very well with the furniture that we have in the living room, and so it would go perfectly with that. Now last 2 items that I have are, first of all, as you can see, this very beautiful and a very nice piece. This is like a vase, whatever you want to call it, and this has this very reflective coating on top of it. Now there was a rose gold and there was a silver I believe, and I got this gold one. I think this is the last item. Okay, so this is the plant. Now this actually are 2 different things. This is ceramic pot of rupees 150, and this plant is around 340-350 rupees, and these 2 look so good together. And imagine this with this in that floating shelf, and with this frame having a photo of my Chubby, who is my cat, and it would look so cute and so beautiful. And that was the whole vision of buying all these things together. That is what I was thinking when I bought this, like how I would style it. A plant is something that you have to add in your house, be it real or a fake one, because it makes the place look so lively. So yeah, that was it for this huge haul. I'm super tired, like filming for a very long time of showing all the things that I bought, and it was fun. If you are a fan of interior decorating, or if you bought a new house, or you want to spice things up or redecorate your home, then that place is something that cannot be missed. I would recommend taking a whole day off, because the store is so huge, so large, that half a day at least to see the entire store, like cover all the parts, all the sections and aisles inside the store. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and made it so far, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So comment down below which item was your favorite in this haul, or have you visited IKEA? Would you love to visit IKEA? Let me know, I would love to know that. And also subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.